Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about 15 surprising facts about the United States. Some of these will blow your mind. Make sure to stick around for one, it's something most people don't know. Let's jump right in. Fact number 15. The US has no official language. Many people think English is the official language of the United States, but that's actually not true. The country has no official language at the federal level. English is the most widely spoken, followed by Spanish, but in some states, like Hawaii, there are other recognized languages. Fact number 14. The US is one of the largest countries in the world. The United States is the third largest country by land area, covering about 3.8 million square miles. That's so big you could fit the entire United Kingdom inside Texas nearly 3 times. The US also has a huge range of climates, from freezing Alaska to sunny Florida. Fact number 13. There are more guns than people in the US. There are more civilian-owned guns than people. It's estimated that there are over 400 million guns in the country, while the population is about 330 million. That means, on average, there are more than 1.2 guns per person. Fact number 12. The US has the world's largest economy. The American economy is the biggest in the world, with a GDP of over $25 trillion. That's larger than the economies of Japan, Germany, and the UK combined. The US is home to major companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, which are worth billions of dollars. Fact number 11. Alaska was bought for just 2 cents per acre in 1867. The US bought Alaska from Russia for $7.2 million. That might sound like a lot, but it was only about 2 cents per acre. At the time, people thought it was a bad deal, calling it Seward's folly. But Alaska turned out to be rich in natural resources like oil and gold. Fact number 10. The US has over 330 million people. The United States is the third most populated country in the world, after China and India. With over 330 million residents, it's a mix of cultures, languages, and traditions. Every year, about 1 million people immigrate to the US, making it one of the most diverse nations. Fact number 9. There's a town that still gets mail by mule in the Grand Canyon. There's a small village called Supai, home to the Havasupai tribe. Because it's so remote, mail is still delivered by mule. It's one of the only places in the US where this still happens, and it takes several hours for the mules to complete the journey. Fact number 8. The US has the most national parks in the world. There are 63 official national parks in the US and over 400 protected areas managed by the National Park Service. Yellowstone was the first national park in the world, established in 1872. Millions of people visit parks like Yosemite, Grand Canyon, and Great Smoky Mountains every year.
Fact number 7. The Liberty Bell has a mystery crack. The Liberty Bell, an important symbol of American independence, has a huge crack, but no one knows exactly when or how it happened. Some believe it cracked in the early 1800s while being rung to celebrate George Washington's birthday. Today, it's on display in Philadelphia. Fact number 6. The US has a state with only one town. In the state of Vermont, there's a county called Essex that has only one town, Guildhall. It's one of the least populated areas in the US. In some parts of the country, you can drive for miles without seeing another person, especially in rural states like Wyoming and Montana. Fact number 5. The Pentagon has twice as many bathrooms as needed. When the Pentagon was built in the 1940s, segregation laws required separate bathrooms for black and white workers. Even though segregation was later abolished, the Pentagon still has twice as many restrooms as necessary, making it one of the most unusual government buildings. Fact number 4. The US invented the Internet. The Internet, which we all rely on today, was first developed in the United States. It started in the 1960s as a government project called ARPANET. Over time, it evolved into the global Internet we use now. Without this invention, social media, streaming, and online shopping wouldn't exist. Fact number 3. The US has the world's longest highway. Interstate 90, or I-90, is the longest highway in the US, stretching about 3,020 miles from Boston Massachusetts to Seattle, Washington. If you wanted to drive the entire thing, it would take about 45 hours without stopping. It passes through 13 states along the way. Fact number 2, there's a place where gravity feels off. In Oregon, there's a mysterious spot called the Oregon Vortex, where objects seem to roll uphill, and people appear to change height. Scientists think it's just an optical illusion, but some visitors believe it's caused by a strange gravitational force. Either way, it's a fun mystery. Fact number 1, the US has a desert that's covered in snow. Most people think deserts are always hot, but that's not true. The Great Basin Desert in Nevada and Utah gets snow in the winter. Since deserts are defined by low rainfall, not heat, cold deserts exist too. This one can have freezing temperatures while still being a desert. And there you have it, 15 surprising facts about the United States. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.